guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'm going to talk about one facial oil which I have been using for 15 days, and yes, today I thought of sitting down and filming this video for all of you guys. And this oil is considered as a miraculous oil in Ayurveda. You have got it right, I'm talking about the Kumkumadi oil. And did I benefit from this oil or not? You can definitely see the visible changes on my skin today live in this video. And if you want to know more about this particular oil, you need to just keep on watching. Now whenever we see a new product, a question comes in our mind that can I use this product? Especially the people who have oily skin and watching this video right now, they are thinking that, I'm sure that you are thinking that whether you can use this product or not. Now the good news is everyone can use Kumkumadi oil. Now whatever skin type you are, whatever your skin concern is, whether you have dry skin, oily skin, combination, sensitive skin, you can use this oil, but you have to keep few things in mind. Those who have oily skin and sensitive skin. Oily skin people should not use too much oil on their face. They should take 1 or 2 drops of this oil, massage it nicely, keep it for 30 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water or normal water. And sensitive people can use this Kumkumadi oil, but they should do a patch test, and if their skin doesn't react on this oil, you are good to go. You can use this oil. Let's talk about the benefits of this oil, guys. Now it has multiple benefits. The first thing I would like to say that it brightens dull skin, because that is the reason I went for this, and it improves the skin texture, which is really very important. And if you have any dark spots, acne scars, any kind of discoloration, any pigmentation on your skin, you can use this. It is going to help you in that. It has anti-aging properties. Now the thing which I believe is aging is graceful. Still too, this product is this Kumkumadi oil is having anti-aging properties in it. Now in a nutshell, I would like to say that whatever your skin type is and whatever your skin concern is, you can definitely use this oil. Now guys, the oil which I am using comes from this brand. This is Novrox Kumkumadi face oil with 24 karat gold in it. Okay, and this is the outer packaging. You have understood that. Now sorry, I have used it, and this is how the product looks like. I must say the packaging is very luxurious. I kind of liked it. Okay, and it comes in a bottle like this, and it has a pump in it. Okay, now the price of this product is rupees 12.99, but you don't have to pay that much. I have paid 550 or 600. I'll provide the link down below. It is not more than 600, I can tell you that. Now the key ingredients of this product is it is having saffron. Needless to say that Kumkumadi oil's key ingredient is saffron, and the name Kumkumadi is derived from the word saffron only, because in Sanskrit saffron is known as kumkum. Now it is having, I am just providing you a little bit of general knowledge which I have acquired from the internet. We all are internet scholars nowadays. Now leaving that apart, this oil is having 24 karat gold in it. It is having vitamin E oil, which is really very good. I'm very happy that it has vitamin E oil in it. It is having aloe vera. It is having aloe vera juice in it, and it is having orange peel extract and lot of other ingredients, guys. If I just keep on reading the ingredients, the video will become really very lengthy. So I will provide the link down below. If you want to know more about the ingredients and anything about this oil, you can just click on the link. Now this oil is sulfate free, mineral free, paraben free, and it is cruelty free, which is really very good, guys, because I really love when I come across any cruelty free product. I love it. So it has all the essential things which we need in our daily skincare. Guys, today is day 1. I'm going to start using that face oil, and this is my skin condition. As you can see, my skin is dull, dry and lifeless, and there are some spots, as you can see. So first you have to clean your face, and remember one thing, that you only have to use this oil in the night time. And then after washing your face, use a clean towel to wipe your face. Then use a toner. This is a very important step. Do not forget this. And then use the Kumkumadi oil. Take 2-3 drops of oil in your hands and then just warm it up, and then just massage it on your face in upward motion. Now this oil has a very pleasant sweet aroma. I really like this. And massage it for at least 5 minutes. So today is day 7, and after using this oil for 7 days, this is how exactly my skin is looking. I can see a bit glow on my face. Guys, here is the result in day 1. As you can see, my face is pretty much dull and dry, but in day 15 you can see a subtle glow on my face. My dark spots are not totally gone, but it is pretty much faded away, I can tell you that. And now I can proudly say that I have a healthier, clearer, glowing skin. So guys, that was for the day, and if you guys have loved this video, like this video, don't forget to show some love. How you're going to show some love? There is one like button. You can hit the like button, and underneath this video there is one red subscribe button. You can hit that subscribe button with the bell icon, which is really important. If you do not hit the bell, you will never get the update whenever I upload my videos. I think I'm just talking too much, guys. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. See you all in my next video. Till then, tata, take care, bye bye.